In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get today's date in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple sheet, add a proper date column, and quickly stamp today's date into any row using the built-in date picker. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, select Start a New Project, Program or Process to open the creation flow. You'll be shown template options organized by roles such as company management. That's helpful when you want a head start, but for this walkthrough, we'll keep things clear and simple by starting from scratch so we're working in a clean blank sheet. Next, choose a new workspace starting point so your content is neatly organized from the beginning. Then select Table. This creates a blank grid where we'll add our date field and capture today's date. Once your new table opens, add a dedicated date column. Click the plus icon at the right of your columns to insert a new one. In the column type window, you'll see options under Recommended, and you can also switch to the Date tab if you prefer. Either way, choose Date as the column type so Smartsheet knows to display a calendar picker and store valid dates. Give your column a clear descriptive name. Something like today's date or entry date works well so teammates understand its purpose at a glance. You can also add a column description if you want to provide extra guidance, such as when and why to populate the date. When you're ready, click Apply to create the column and return to the grid. Now let's enter today's date. Click into any row within your new date column. This brings up the date picker. In the picker, click Today. Smartsheet will immediately insert the current date into that cell using your sheet's date format. That's all there is to it. Your sheet now records today's date exactly where you need it. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Today option, double check that the column is set to the Date type. The Calendar and Today shortcut only appear for date columns. Also remember that choosing Today from the picker enters a static date, meaning it won't roll forward tomorrow. If you're after a value that always reflects the current day, explore Smartsheet's formula capabilities separately to find the best fit for your workflow. And if your team prefers a specific date format, you can adjust that later in the column settings so it displays consistently across the sheet. That's it. You created a new table, added a date column, and captured today's date in just a few clicks.